Hi, my name's Jen Ferguson from Harrington Hoist. Today we're going to talk about the NER 3-phase electric chain hoist offering. This hoist is awesome. It's available from 1/8 to 20-ton capacities with either a hook mount, push, geared, or motorized trolley. It can be found in a lot of different industries: manufacturing, automotive, foundries, aviation, and many more. If you value a low cost of ownership and want to minimize the frustration of downtime and costly repairs, then this hoist is for you. It's a time-proven, robust hoist offering. It offers several features that provide superior quality over the competition. We're going to talk about 5 of these features today, including duty rating, brake design, chain design, weatherproofing, and our VFD offering. Let's talk about duty rating. The NER actually exceeds the H4 duty rating of ASME. It comes with a fan-cooled 60-minute motor with an oil bath gearbox. Other hoists on the market only offer a 30-minute non-ventilated motor with a grease gearbox. So with the NER's fan cooling technology and oil bath gearbox, heat buildup is significantly reduced, and this drastically extends the life of the hoist. Let's talk about brake design. The brake on a hoist can be a common maintenance item, but not with the NER. This brake comes standard with a 10-year warranty. Yes, 10 years. The brake was the first in the industry to use DC current, and it has large windings to minimize heat buildup and wear. It requires no maintenance. You don't have to change brake coils, brake discs, you don't have to adjust the brake gap. Again, 10-year warranty regardless of wear. All right, let's talk about chain. The NER comes standard with nickel-plated load chain. We use a patented nickel plating technology that offers superior corrosion resistance over black chain and other inferior coatings that are on the market. So it provides the longevity that you need for your hoist. Weatherproofing. This hoist comes standard with a weatherproof rating of IP55. Thanks to heavy-duty gaskets and sealing technology, this hoist is protected from the ingress of water and dust. It can be used outdoors and in the toughest environments. Let's talk about our VFD offering. VFD is a variable frequency drive, and all of our dual-speed hoists come standard with a VFD. So unlike contactor-controlled hoists, the VFD provides smoother transitions when lifting or lowering the loads, and the speeds can be adjusted based on your application. There's a lot of other troubleshooting and maintenance features that come with a VFD that you wouldn't have without it. Not all hoists are equal, and we hope this video provided you with some tools to know the difference. The NER offers so many other great features. Please visit our website for more information at harringtonhoists.com. Thanks for watching.